Hi everyone, this is not the typical video. This is more of, well, this is quite frankly just a thank you video, just because it is Thanksgiving when this video is going to be coming out. So I just wanted to thank everybody for all the support that I've received over the last 4 years that I've been doing this. It's really pretty mind-blowing to think that for the first 3 years that I was doing this, I was gaining, I don't know, maybe 1 subscriber every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. And then just 1 year ago, I was at around 500 subscribers. And to this day, at this point, we've 5 times that. So we are over 2,500 subscribers because you guys just keep spreading the word. Of course, I'm marketing as much as I possibly can with what I know. But it really blows my mind, and it's really humbling to know that I can continue to produce quality science-based information in a variety of different formats. I think that's really made it a lot more fun for me, and hopefully it's become more interesting for you guys as well. Just the ability to have these different series, you know, like the Praxis series being more applicable, having the Examine series, kind of checking out other sources and kind of fact checking them, as well as just kind of explaining what they mean, if they're right, if they're wrong, things of that nature. Having the Broadcast series, which I just started, talking about the news that's happening in health and, you know, science, physiology, medicine, things of that nature. And it's like I said, it's humbling to know that we've grown to such an extent. And I will, of course, as always, just continue to roll out as much content as I possibly can to help you guys out. Oh, and I can't even forget the subscriber question series, which has a lot more people have been voting, which is fantastic to see a lot more engagement in that category. You guys are always welcome to ask questions. I've been answering a lot of questions on Instagram as well. And speaking of Instagram, I don't know if you're familiar with, if you knew this, but I've been posting on Instagram for the past, I don't know, 8 to 10 months, every single day, so Monday through Friday at least. If you're not subscribed on there, that's some more free content for you if you're interested in learning more tidbits of information. And I've got a kind of a nice system there, as well as on stories. I like to answer people's questions and just, you know, kind of offshoot. You get to see some behind the scenes. I ask you guys questions for your opinions on different things that are going on. And essentially just the feedback that I've gotten has been absolutely astounding. I can't really express in words how much it means to me to have a platform where, although we are tiny, I mean, we're minuscule in terms of our size, I can't stress enough how much it means to me to have a platform where I can talk about science the way that I want to. I mean, school is fantastic. I love being in school to a point, you know, it can be pretty stressful, but it doesn't quite hit the same mark. I really love teaching, and for me, I have a long-term goal of where I see this channel and where I see teaching and education going in terms of physiology and health and medicine and things of that nature. So I hope that we can continue this. I have every single plan in mind to continue this for many, many, many years, well, essentially till I die. I have no plans on stopping, and I hope that you guys are as excited as I am about the future. And if you guys have any recommendations, anything that I can do, you know, with my limited time that I can add or improve, or things that you feel would be better, let me know. I'm always open to constructive criticism. I'm genuinely open to constructive criticism. So with that said, if you're new to the channel, if you're one of the over 2,000 people that have joined, let yourself be known. You know, comment below, let me know. I'd love to thank you. Always the regulars, I love you guys. I always love hearing from you guys, but getting more engagement, getting more people that are new to the channel would be fantastic, just to hear your perspective and just where you're from, why you're interested in the channel, what you're learning, things of that nature. Let me know. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving for any of those that celebrate Thanksgiving. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one. See ya.